morning. It is Sunday, 4th May, 11:32 a.m. May the 4th be with you. I have an exciting afternoon ahead of me. I need to get out of the house in the next 1 hour. First things first, I really need to stop and fill some fuel because my car is running on like E. And then Jerry and I are taking his parents, Mummy and Daddy. I call his parents Mummy and Daddy, and I call my parents Mama and Papa. We're taking his parents to one of my absolute favorite restaurants in the city, Yoko's. If you are from Bombay and if you've never been, or if you're not from Bombay and you are visiting, and if you like nice, hot, great food, I urge you to go try Yoko's. Yoko's has so many branches all around Bombay, and I believe they also are in London and Dubai or something like that. I only ever have been to the ones in Bombay. And they serve the best sizzlers. I know there's like so many other sizzler places, some OG, some relatively new, but Yoko's is like the OG sizzler place. They've been around since the 80s, I want to say, and they serve the best vegetarian and non-vegetarian sizzlers. I love their food so much. Wait, where is my... I ordered stuff from Verified because if you saw my last video, you know that I ran out of my favorites. My little Verified order comes in a Verified bag and everything from the warehouse. I ordered a Step Zero and I ordered an airbrush luminizer. I wanted a backup for my luminizer because I didn't want it to run out the way my Step Zero ran out. What was I telling you? Sizzlers, literally the best sizzlers ever, I promise you, and I challenge you to find me a better sizzler place, at least in Mumbai. You will not be able to, I assure you. I love their food and I have been thinking about wanting to have a sizzler for months at this point. Even when I was in California, I would think about sizzlers all the time and I would miss it. Because I typically tend to go to Yoko's about at least once a month, if not like once in 45 days. I think once a month is my decent frequency to think back at. And the plot twist is that my in-laws, my parents-in-law, have never been to Yoko's, let alone never been to Yoko's. I think Mummy said she's never tried a sizzler, so I really want to make her try a sizzler. Although my father-in-law was like, oh, if it's big portions, she's not going to be able to finish it, so we'll share whatever it is. I was like, no, I'll share with Mummy because I can't finish a whole portion either. It's quite big. Although I have to admit and tell you that at times when I have gone ahead and ordered a portion by myself, you can see how obsessed I am with the food, with how much I'm talking about it. Even when I've gone for a whole portion by myself and been unable to complete it, I've packed it and brought it home and it tastes just as good the next day also. Even my vegetarian friends, when we all go there, they manage to find things that they really like. So yeah, just wanna put that out there. None of this is sponsored by Yoko's. Obviously, I have always paid for my meals there, but I've been going there since I was a little girl. Even my family, when they come and visit, everyone does at least that one mandatory trip to Yoko's because we all enjoy their food so much. Yeah, that's the main agenda for the afternoon. My parents are headed out in the evening, so it kind of works out that they could come down and check in on Raphael when Jerry and I take his parents out for lunch. We're leaving him home. I think this is the first time we're leaving him home with Parukala. No, second time. My dad's birthday was the first time we left him home, but he slept through that time. This time, I don't think he'll sleep through because it's like afternoon, but yeah. She's like, I'll manage if you're away for like 2 hours. She was like, please make sure you come back within 2 hours. I was like, yeah, for sure. And usually Sundays we go to my in-laws' place. But today I guess what we'll do is we'll go there for lunch and then we'll come back here for them to meet Rafa for their little weekly play dates. I have two big work agenda things on my schedule for today, which I absolutely need to get done. Wait, listen, sorry, side note. Completely digressing and going everywhere. I haven't vlogged in the last 3 days, so when I'm vlogging, I feel like I'm talking to the friend that I need to catch her up on absolutely everything on. The hair is fully growing on me, not literally growing on me, like I'm loving it more and more. I did miss my hair a lot my long hair a lot for the first 2 days, okay? But like this is so much easier to handle. I haven't washed my hair at all even once so far, but I will tomorrow. I usually did tend to wash my hair only about once a week, to be honest, because that helps me reduce the hair fall, and that is pre-postpartum hair fall. Like that is even pre-pregnancy frequency. Now that it's shorter, I actually don't mind trying to wash my hair maybe twice a week. I do not have an oily scalp. I barely sweat. And in the summer, I end up reaching for dry shampoo quite a bit also, which contributes to the fact that I can go longer without the scalp wash. So just want to put that out there in case you're wondering, oh my god, this crazy woman washes her hair only once a week. Well, now you know why. I need to put the baby cam on. One sec. The baby cam is on. I want to keep an eye on Raphael sleeping, so just in case he wakes up, because Jerry is in the shower, and I need to make sure I don't mix up these two step zeros. This is the empty one and this is the one I just used. I've been collecting empties for the past 7-8 months, and because I was gonna film it sooner and obviously didn't get around to doing it, I have the box just kind of sitting there. I was talking about something else, wasn't I? I was totally going somewhere else when I started to talk about things. What was I about to say? Yes, what I was about to say was that, guys, sorry, my brain is everywhere. What I was about to say was that I have two major work things that absolutely need to get done today. I have an Ask Me Anything video, which I want to post this week, but I have a client brand sponsorship that needs to go in it. It is a brand and product that I love so much. So when they reached out to me for a sponsorship, I think this is the second time I'm working with them. I was like, yes, this is a product I spend so much money on and buy for myself. You bet I'm going to take this sponsorship. Also, I'm still saying yes to very few sponsorships, because like you'll notice in my frequency, I like less than 10% of my content is sponsored, because the kind of inquiries that I have been getting are things that I don't fully align with. Also, I want to say I've been getting a lot of inquiries from baby brands, but like the truth of the matter is, unless I have actually used that product on my child, I can't take on that sponsorship. Like there are 2-3 brands that I'm really loving for him when it comes to his bath product, his skincare, the lotions I'm using, the baby oils I'm using, stuff like that. But like if you're not one of those brands that I'm currently using, I can't blindly say yes to those sponsorships at the end of the day. I make sure to use a product on him for a few, like maybe like a weekish consecutively to see how it's doing, and then decide whether I might decide like kind of take that on or not. And the brands that I am using are not the ones that are talking about sponsorships with me. So the others are just like, okay, send me your product and I'll use it for a bit and then I'll get back to you. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there that I'm saying no to like a lot of sponsorships despite needing the work right now. Babies are expensive. Building a house is expensive, and doing everything together is very expensive. But it is what it is. I can't, like, I will not let my integrity be compromised in the process of that. You know what I mean? So I do have a sponsorship that I have said yes to, and I have that entire video ready. I just need to film the sponsorship portion of it today. So after we come back from lunch, and maybe once mommy daddy leave and go home, that's when I plan on sitting back and filming that sponsorship. If you end up seeing me in these clothes in that video, drop a comment on this video or rather on that video and mention that you saw this here or you saw it in that video. What am I looking for, dude? I'm looking for a brush. I'm doing a cheat makeup today, like I'm doing more like full-fledged makeup today. When I'm doing like a full glam where I need to do beauty shots and stuff, I always make sure to use a blender, and the only blenders I ever use are the verified blenders. I'm not even being biased when I tell you our blenders are better than anything else in the Indian market right now, and you can count on the fact that I have tried every single thing out there. And I'm just being very honest. It could sound like, oh, it's her brand, that's why she's saying it, but actually it's the other way around. Because it's my brand, I've made sure that the product is just that good. So yeah, if you wanna go grab that, I'll leave it linked in for you. There's so many beauty pieces of content that I want to film in the coming week. This past week is just flown by. Manje, just flown by. I have not had the time to do as much as I wanted to. Every time I think I'm going to sit and spend the entire day doing vertical content this and vertical content that, naturally house things come up, baby comes up, verified stuff comes up. So it's just it's a little bit chaotic, even though I'm being so productive, and I appreciate you guys complimenting me on that in the comments. I feel like I'm not being productive enough as I would like, because I'm comparing this Anam with pre-baby Anam, and I'm telling myself out loud as I'm saying this that is unfair to do. So I just want to hold myself accountable, but also give myself some grace. Apart from the client thing that I just told you about, the whole video is ready. I need to just put in the sponsorship segment in. The second thing that I absolutely need to get done, that I have sat on 3 different times, and for some reason it just, I haven't fallen through with it has been the fact that I need to order a new mic. I love this mic, and it's not like it's not working or anything like that. It's just that the C-type charger, I need to keep plugging it into to make sure the battery is actually getting fully charged. I have a feeling that I'm not letting it get fully charged and I'm using it, or the other option that I have in my head, like the other possibility and doubt that I have in my head, is that it just has a shorter battery life compared to my needs, and I need to keep putting it to charge more often, which is just irritating me in the process. Because let's be honest, there are more than enough devices I'm already putting down to charge. It's like a lot. So I am planning to order a new mic. Today I really want to make sure that this mic situation is sorted, because to be honest, mics are very important. Like right now I've put the AC on even though I wasn't actually feeling hot. Because with the fan on you can hear like that wind sound at the back, and you guys have left those comments, and I'm very clear about the fact that audio quality is so important. Even in my Ask Me Anything video, which is probably up actually before this one goes up. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. It was a very heart-to-heart kind of video where I talked about things I've never spoken about before. I answered questions which you guys have asked, and it was just a very honest video. And I actually sat to film that, and the mic gave up on me, like the battery died again, and I took Jerry's phone to record the audio, and I didn't realize that he kept getting calls in the middle, and a lot of that audio got kind of disturbed. So I landed up using the camera audio only. Giving you guys technical know-how, but I'm just frustrated, so I'm venting to a girlfriend. Please bear with me for like 30 seconds, I promise. And then while I was editing that video, the audio worked. It's not like the audio was bad or anything. The audio was actually great. But I feel like if there is a dedicated mic, especially for the times where I'm sitting down to talk to you, I would love to be able to just give you really kick-ass, crisp audio. And especially because sometimes I might have like a baby at the back talking, cooing with the other parent, with Parukala, with my parents or Jerry's parents. I would like to be able to give you nice audio. You know what I mean? I'm a little particular about quality, and let's just say it's been really like messing with my head. So today the second big work task that I absolutely have to get done is I have to place the order for the mic. I have two on my short list. One fits in my budget and one is 3 times my budget. But I know that the one in my budget is like really like big, and it's gonna chut out, like it's gonna like take a lot of attention, which I don't want. And the one that is not in my budget, which is 3 times my budget, is one that I should get, because it'll be a one-time investment, it'll last longer. But I'm like, I was trying to avoid the kharchas, my friends. Yeah. Yeah, that's where the situation is at. That's where the sitch is at, as I always say. Also, like, I spend way too much money on Amazon. I'm sure we all do. It's not just me. Like, I spend a lot of money on Amazon. I love Amazon. Like, I love shopping from Amazon. It is what it is. I buy all of like Rafa's diapers and knick-knack things. I just bought him a pack of Gunjis the other day, in fact, also from Amazon. I was taking a very random shot while placing that order, because I was like, baby clothes from Amazon? I don't know. But at the same time, I'm really just always checking, because you never know. So I like to see that if I'm ordering something, is it going to be returnable? Is it going to be replaceable? What's the tea with that? I like to see reviews whenever I can. My under eyes are so bad right now because Mama has had no sleep. Mama Bear has not been sleeping. I have really truly been struggling with my sleep quite a bit. I told you, right, Jerry had been taking some turns for me and helping me because I wasn't feeling well. I think I mentioned this in my last vlog. And then the other night, I was like, Jerry, go sleep in the nursery. I will take the full night. Don't even get disturbed. Because naturally, both people land up waking up with him crying, irrespective. He landed up sleeping in the living room instead of the nursery because our nursery doesn't have a TV. And he got a good night's sleep. And I landed up waking up. Actually, he landed up waking up 3 times that night, Raphael. I had Parukala with me for help, but I didn't want to give him to her because I just wanted her for backup in case I got giddy. The 3rd time after getting fed, he just wanted to play. So I played, and then Parukala woke up and she was like, just give him to me. Just give him to me, you need to sleep. So I got a little bit of sleep. Can I tell you what my stupid brain just thought? Oh my god, Raphael's gonna get up. But where was Raphael? I'm looking at him on my baby monitor, he's fast asleep. And I'm like, he's gonna get up. And then I'm realizing he's in the other room on the other side of the house. I'm here. He can't hear me. I am the true representation of Ata Maji Satakli. I have fully Satkofied these days with like random things like this. What timing? Okay, so I was getting ready and I wanted to record myself using this new mascara, the Benefit mascara, and I was filming it on vertical because we love a multitasking mom. And I did one eye and I went back to check the baby monitor app because like I was filming on my phone and the baby monitor app was on my phone, and I just wanted to keep an eye out because you can hear him if he wakes up, but I want to like be extra careful because in the baby monitor app I can usually see if he's just stirring and shaking before he actually properly gets up. When I checked the app, with one eye done, he's fully awake, not crying, just laying in bed. And I was like, okay, cool. So I went there just to kind of check. I'm peeking, okay? Like I'm peeking. I'm not like, and obviously I can't film this because I'm like running in the middle and I don't want to film all these things. And even if I didn't film it, there's so many things that I do film with him that I don't end up posting because it's like those things are for memory, you know what I mean? So I'm peeking through the wall, like from the side before his crib. And this guy looks up. Like he knows his mom is there, and just then Jerry came out of the shower. I was like, Jerry, great timing. I have one eye done. I'm gonna go finish the other eye. So I came back, finished the other eye, and this is my final makeup look. What is the time? How much time do I have? How much time did I use? Because I did get quite a bit done. It is 12:16. Not bad at all. I have about 14 minutes before I need to leave the house. And so I'm gonna quickly go pack a bag. This is my outfit, by the way. I am in this purple cord set. It actually has a third piece as well, which is in the same material. It goes on like a shirt. You can leave it open or whatever. You've seen me wear this on one of my podcast episodes where I had Riya Jain on, caught on a cuff. This is from her collab collection with 20 dresses, if I remember correctly. And I am wearing a size M, but it's actually loose for me. It used to fit me really well. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Okay, I can hear Raphael. I need to quickly get some outfit shots for this vertical reel I'm filming where I'm documenting all my outfits. I need to grab the baby, spend 5 minutes with him before we leave the house. Second time about to leave him home to step out. I'm almost proud of me for being able to do that, TBH. Hi, we are back home. My in-laws left a little while ago. I had my client integration to shoot, which is all done. I have just a little bit more work that's probably going to take me another 30-35 minutes or so, and then I intend on kicking back and watching the IPL matches today. My parents are off to an arcade. I don't know the name. I was about to say the name, but I don't know the name. They're taking Rayan, Romaisa, and I think one of their cousins to an arcade. They in fact asked if I wanted to come along and take Raphael as well, but he's so small and I think I'd rather rest because he's so small. If he was a little bit older, I'd drag my ass there. But he's not going to understand anything at an arcade. He barely gets like, you know, he gets like lights and sounds and stuff, but it's not like he can play. So I'm hanging back at home. I'm going to de-glam, change into a night suit, nightie, yes, very much. And finish off all my client work before I can really kick back and truly get into Sunday mode, which will actually probably only happen to me by around 5 because it is exactly 4 p.m. right now. Hi, good morning. It is 10:30 a.m. 5th of May. It's a Monday. And it's been a really tough late evening. It's been a really tough night through the night, and it's been a really tough morning. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but I sound really like, my voice sounds extremely deep because I think I'm just deprived and my throat is hurting. In any case, I've had that whole tonsil issue going on since a while. Raphael has got his first ever cold cough kind of situation and he's been so uncomfortable. We kept trying to figure out why he wasn't drinking milk properly. That's him. He's with Paru Khala. She gave him a nice hot bath, God bless her. Oh, and Jerry and me have literally just been tag teaming. It was me and Jerry all night till about 2:30 in the morning, which is when I managed to get him back to sleep. And then I've been awake since 6 in the morning. It's just been me and him from 6 a.m. to about 8 a.m. when Paru Khala woke up. Then Paru Khala and I started tag teaming. And it's just been crazy. It's been crazy because he, at about 2 a.m., he gets dahi. A lot of babies remove dahi. It's supposed to be a good thing. It's like a reflux sign. It means the digestive system is working. It's normal and it's good. It's encouraged, in fact. But last night at 2 a.m., his dahi on me had like a buttload of phlegm in it, and I kind of, not panicked, but I kind of got worried a little bit. My bhabhi was awake. I asked her what medicine I can give him. My bhabhi is amazing with this medicine thing for like not just babies but for like adults as well, for us as well. I gave him the drops. The doctor said those drops were fine because I did leave him messages a couple of times through the night. He replies at about 5-6 in the morning, and I'm trying a couple of different things. I'm about to do an ajwain seek. He's just come out of a hot shower. Paru Khala was putting his clothes on. He's just really cranky. He's only being okay with the three of us. My dad, as usual, came down. Khula hi hai. Lao lao. Aa jao. He didn't even sit with my dad properly in the morning. He is only okay with the three of us. My dad also Nana ki godi mein nahi raha aaj subah. And he just wants to be held. In the middle of all of this, Nibbles has been causing havoc in our lives for the past week. I don't want to talk about it. I just don't want to talk about it, but it's a lot to handle. Between her and him and being sleep deprived, and today is Monday. On Mondays are typically my heaviest days of the week. It's when I plan the entire week. Today we also have the double day 5/5 sale going on Verified, 55% off. I didn't mention this in any earlier vlog. Sorry, I need to time my sale mentions in my vlogs better, I guess. But there's too many balls in the air. I'm balancing way too many things. Going a little bit crazy. I don't even have chai in my cup, by the way, right now. It's just super hot water because my own tonsils are like hurting so much. I'm also a little bit worried, like what if I gave him the cold? I don't have a cold, but could my tonsils give him? I don't know, my mind is everywhere. So today's agenda, I want to unbox some really cool packages, which I will get to. I'm telling myself that. But he's priority right now, and that's just the way it is. Hi, good morning. Good morning. It is, what's the time? It's 11:18 a.m. I'm waiting with bated breath for my Amazon delivery to come in. I ordered the new mic yesterday on Monday. Something I was supposed to do on Sunday. But I couldn't talk to my usual vendor on a call on Sunday because naturally they were shut for the weekend. They were closed for the weekend. I am particularly excited because I love new tech and I love new gadgets. You guys know I actually wanted to buy one of those small cameras, but I resisted and I'm not buying it. But this new mic should be, hopefully, a great investment. I have had a day and a half, to be honest. Raphael is slightly better. The mild fever he was running is gone. I'm giving him the drops that the doctor has given me, the okay on, the dosage on, and all of that. He's slightly better, but he's still not fine. And everyone I'm talking to who are moms are basically telling me about how any medication is going to take him about 3 to maybe 5 days for him to become better. Which is okay, which is something I can deal with. It just breaks my heart to see him like struggle a little bit because when I'm keeping him fully flat to sleep, it's making him really visibly uncomfortable. When I'm keeping him very elevated, he's not physically that comfortable. So we're figuring it out, trial and test, and keeping him on the side, making him sleep on the side more than ever. Last night was Jerry's night, but like I've told you, irrespective of whose night it is, both of us land up getting up when we hear him wake up and cry. He woke up about 3 times last night. And right now he was napping and he just woke up, so she's feeding him. I have to finish a bunch of vertical content today. Another reason I've had a day and a half on the internet is because I'm feeling like either people don't want to listen to what I'm saying because they think I'm using words without knowing the meaning of it, or they're using words and calling me names that I've never been called before in my entire life. Like, it's just interesting times on the internet. I did make a mistake that I need to take full accountability for though in the last video, in the AMA video, and this is my fault 100%. I left a segment in the trailer that I had actually deleted from the video, but I did in the comments address it, clarify it, break it down. If you know, you know. I don't want to go on and on about it because I feel like, oh my god, we could make glue out of this whole situation at this point. But I want to... Actually, you know what? I don't even want to clarify because I feel like no matter what one says, some people will only believe what they want to believe. So, but I promise you, I don't use words I don't know the meanings of. That I will tell you. In fact, I was shocked that people think I'm using words without knowing what they mean. One can dive deep into details, one can share many details on what situations are like, but one part of me that wants to be open and clear and honest with you, which I so was in the EMA video, which I always am and try to be, and then there's another part of me that's like, maybe this is why people, like keep their own business to themselves, kind of a situation. Like maybe I'm stupid, maybe I shouldn't be so open and so honest, because it gets, if you don't hear me listening to me, listen to the words I'm using, and if you take things out of context, I can't do anything about it, just one of those situations. Literally, I was so, I won't say bothered, but I will say bothered. I'll be like, do people think I'm using words without knowing the meaning of it? I was telling Jerry, and he was like, what? Why are people so insecure listening to a woman talk about how she's running the show? And I was like, I don't know, I just wasn't expecting such a reaction. If anything, I'm not saying I expect people to like laud me and give me a round of applause because it's not like I'm running your homes. Why will you thank me? Nobody needs to thank me. It's just one of those situations where I'm like, I want to try and normalize things, which is why I'm having these open conversations. Why does this slip so much until it finally does settle down? I don't know, but I like the product, so I keep kind of trying to work with it in its slippery phase as well. And Jerry was like, you know what, just let it be. People, no matter what you say, people that want to listen will listen. People that want to make a hue and try and fuss about things will do that. And some of you really stepped up in the comments, so I do want to say thank you because you know me. Forget it, I should end this here. I feel like I'm just going to give opportunity to people to talk and make something out of nothing again. ये क्यों गिर रहे हैं यार? क्यों गिर रहे हैं? मुझे नहीं पता. वो पहले usually they take a couple of minutes, seconds, whatever to settle in, but once they settle, they don't usually like move so much. My skin has been a little bit dry, and just the other day I was wondering why is my skin, feeling so dry of late. It's not even winter, and then I realized I just haven't been super consistent with my skincare. मेरे दिन का usually रात का या सुबह का दोनों में से एक का तो मिस हो ही जाता है routine. Only once a day I'm able to really properly take care of myself. Maybe even that gets missed on some days. When I'm super tired of late, I'm just going to sleep, and I sleep with a cream and serum and all of that right next to my bed. That's my hack for making sure I get my skincare right, and even that I've been forgetting to reach for. My voice, as you might hear, is quite raspy, is quite actually sounding quite deep because of the khar khar in my throat and my chest. I've been having garam chai, but I also don't want to be having that much chai. So I'm thinking that today I'm just gonna have paru khana later in the day. Make me some adrak ka kada, just adrak basically. Adrak, maybe some honey, I don't know, in hot water. I've been drinking plain hot water a lot since the past 2 days also. गिरते जा रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता क्या करूँ. What I'm gonna do is sit with this for about 10 minutes, give Raf a dose of his medicine that's due now, and in the next 5 minutes, because it is 11:25 a.m. right now, and 11:30 I'll give him his medicine, and I will do my makeup and catch up with you a little bit later. I'm so excited for when my mic comes, you guys. I love buying new tech. Like, it gives me just as much joy as getting new makeup or whatever, if you know what I mean. And I have a meeting in the evening. That's a really important one. That's at about 5:30 p.m. Thankfully, it is super close to my house. I will be walking to it. So for that 1 hour, I think Jenny and I will step out for the 3rd time ever, leaving Raphael behind. I'm actually counting. Can you believe it? I'm gonna have Mama or Paru Khala kind of take care of him for that 1 hour, and then we'll come back from the meeting and get him. Okay, talk soon.
Yeah. From the Bay to the A with the bedrooms in the valley. Had to ran up 6 feet.
You just want to see the camera. That's all you want to do.
Things out of Kelly, tell them F you pay me like my name was Sally. Made then I hopped on the plane to catch a play in the A. Somebody tell them don't drown, trying to catch this wave. Tell them don't drown, trying to catch this wave. Ain't no stopping me. It's a strong on robbery. It's been many on the patch, had to copy me. But you need design on your feet just to walk me. Ain't no stopping me. It's a strong on robbery. They can't do it for me just to say the least.
Hi, okay, I'm so excited. First off, glam is done. I feel so happy when my skin work translates exactly the way I want it to. Still have my kava going over here, ginger, honey in hot water, and I've reheated it a couple of times to just kind of keep that going. I love how it's looking. I'm wearing shorts now in case you're wondering. I only glam up from the top when I don't need to show the bottom half in my vertical content, and I'm at home today, almost already know I have a meeting in the evening, but I'll have to change for the meeting anyway. I have my package over here. I'm so excited. I told you I love tech, and I'm filming so much vertical content that will need my audio to be great. So this mic that I have ordered is supposed to be one of the best ones, and it is great for not just camera use but also like will work with my phone, which is fab. What am I gonna do with my old mic? I'm gonna give it to the same guy that I tend to sell my used tech stuff at. He gives me decent deals. With my previous cameras and equipment and stuff like that, I've actually also sold it to like subscribers who are content creators, and for a few, I think I've sold like cameras and stuff too. 2 people have actually like kept in touch and been like, I shop this with this device, and this is what it turned out like. So I feel really happy that I get to be part of your content creator journey through that. This is what I have gone ahead and ordered. I can leave a link in to this down below in the description section in case you are in the market for a new mic as well. This is a little bit more expensive than what I was initially hoping to spend, because I bought this Godox one, which like I said earlier is still so fab. It's just that I use it a lot and I don't tend to put it to charge as often, so the battery life and I are having a little bit of a tussle, but I love this piece so much also. It's the Godox Mini Link 2 or something like that it's called. It's the whole set, and I had paid like 10,500 for this, which I think now is around 8-9, which is pretty cool. I'm probably gonna call the guy and sell this off to him, the guy in South Bombay that I give my other devices to and have sold other devices to. I've gone through so many cameras, equipments, lights, things over the years. It doesn't make sense to leave a lot of them just lying around. In fact, I want to sell my other camera also, so maybe I'll call him and talk to him about both together, because I want to kind of get rid of the other camera also. It's just been sitting around and I haven't been using it. And then I have this one over here. I was hoping to find something in the range of like 5-ish, maybe 7-8-ish, but I've landed up spending around, I think, 12 for this one, and then I got some kind of discount basis the credit card I used, which was kind of cool. I actually landed up buying things from this other guy, not the guy I sell to, but the guy I usually buy from, Bismillah, in South Bombay itself as well. But he himself told me that there are better deals online. I can't get you something lesser than this. I only suggest you buy it on Amazon, which is basically what I went for. Can you hear my stomach? I'm so hungry. I can hear my stomach, but I don't want to eat right now. I want to finish filming some content, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and then go ahead and have lunch. Yay! Here we go. This is supposed to be like one of the nicest mic audio brands in general overall. I'm quite excited. I'm gonna put everything to charge. Just want to make sure all the wires are in here so I know what I'm doing. I know what I have, and that I'm not missing any parts. Okay. All the wires are underneath. Thank God I'm checking, because otherwise I would be like, hello, where's the rest of it? Cool. I'm gonna put this stuff to charge. Get to vertical content. How do you like the glam? I've kept the skin very like natural, dewy types. And I also recorded the eye makeup because I used a couple of products that I really do love. Make kar leti hu, and we'll catch up soon. I have had lunch because I was too hungry. I got my transition and stuff sorted, and I'm in outfit number 2. I really like the way this fits on me. I'm going to leave it linked in for you guys because it's just a very nice number, and the fabric feels really fantastic also. I was actually wearing my pink coral version of this, which I wore to Ria's engagement. If you watch all my vlogs, you know what I'm talking about. And then when I spotted this, I was like, I must have this. My underwear and all is not seamless that I'm wearing today, so obviously if I was wearing this out, I would 100% switch my lingerie up. But I'm only filming in the house and I'm doing vertical content, and I'm actually in the mood of doing a YouTube live. I haven't tried a YouTube vertical live ever, so I'm thinking I should do that. So my mic is fully charged. I just pulled it off the charger, and I am figuring out whether I want to finish vertical content first or do my live first. We'll figure it out. Okay, I'm doing the YouTube live first. Let's check this out. Testing the audio first. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, this audio is fine and crisp. I love it. Okay, let's go. Let's do the YouTube live first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ain't no stopping me. It's a strong going robbery. It's been many on the patch, tried to copy me, but you need design on your feet just to walk with me. Ain't no stopping me. It's a strong going robbery. They can't do it for me, just to say the least. I'ma get hair rent free and I ain't sign a lease. Hey, you know we blow big bags. All in the mall, yeah, we popping them big tags. Make a pro do whiplash. Here we drip a 2.
Okay, we just got back home from the meeting. This was my OOTD. Wearing the same Levi's jeans that I wear. The only ones I think that I have that fit me this well. I need to order more jeans maybe. I don't want pencil fit, figure hugging, low waist type of jeans anymore. I want them to be chill, loose, relaxed. And I picked up this top from the US. Came back home, Rafa is asleep, and I'm gonna take my makeup off, watch the Mumbai Indians match, catch up and close my emails for the day, and get to not editing this vlog now. I will edit this vlog tomorrow. Okay, love you. Thanks for watching. You know I'm always reading, working, harding, and responding to each and every one of you. See you in the next one. Mwah. And thank you for tuning into the YouTube live that I did this afternoon. You guys are amazing. It was random, it was fun, it was chill, it was a good time.